Welcome home to this Brown Summit Stunner 2903 Aldgate. Located in the desirable Wellington subdivision, this brick front home features a 2-car side entry garage, rocking chair front porch, and a private wooded backyard overlooked by a large deck. The 2-story entry provides lots of natural light with an upper window, transom window, and side lights. To the left is the formal dining room with chair rail and crown molding. Hardwoods continue past the stairs to the open great room, anchored by a gas log fireplace. The great room is open to the breakfast nook, backed by rear-facing windows. A large granite-topped island graces the kitchen, which features stainless steel appliances and is open to the great room. Across the great room is the ample master suite, with oversized front-facing Palladian-topped window. This suite features a sitting area, trade ceiling, ceiling fan, his and hers closets, and a luxurious master bath with garden tub, walk-in shower, and separate vanities. Behind the kitchen is the hallway to the spacious laundry room, a full bath with tub shower combination, and bedroom, making this area a perfect guest suite. At the top of the stairs is bedroom number 2, with front-facing window, ceiling fan, and large walk-in closet. This level of the home also has a large bonus room, perfect for a playroom or media room. Bedroom 3 features 2 side-facing windows and private entry to the upstairs full bath with dual vanity. To recap, 2903 Aldgate features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, hardwood floors, and granite countertops in the desirable Wellington subdivision. For more information, please contact Sharon Taylor at Caldwell Banker Triad Realtors, 336-497-8667.